Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Travel Podcast in Key West, Florida. I am outside the Little White House, the Harry S. Truman Little White House. Towards the back, you can see the Harry Truman 1950 Lincoln Cosmopolitan presidential limousine. Parked here in the shade, well maintained, pretty cool vehicle. American flags on the front, the white design on the tires at the bottom, and the windows open so you can see inside. Walking towards the back, you can see there's a gift shop type area with some flags up top, and in the windows you can see various postcards, magnets, busts of Harry Truman. There are some guided tours offered here as well. Use my extendable stick so you can see up into the items for sale. 50-cent postcards and the various busts. It looks like some alcohol flasks and the White House logos available. Lots of different items for sale. Coasters, desk placards, lots of America, Pledge of Allegiance, paperweights, and various displays here. Harry S. Truman Little White House, Key West. You can see all of the Americana branding on this side. Lots for sale, some more magnets, looks like pins in the background, some dishcloths, and one part of this is all the different types of trees. You can see them in the background, gated, all the different designs. This is the Key West Foundation, the Key West Harry Truman Foundation. Maintaining this, you can see a historical marker for the Little White House, palm trees in the back, and the map of trees. You could take a garden tour and have lots to see: avocado tree, breadfruit tree, coconut palm, curry tree, and more. Here are some of the coconut palm trees, tropical India. You get an up-close view of them. Some planes going up above. Harry Truman Overseas Highway, 1973, Legislature of Florida. Mango trees. More of the side of the building, the Little White House. Up ahead, some more of the plants and trees. We have an avocado tree from Mexico up above. You can get a high-up view of it. Some of the sunlight as well. Nice day, nice weather today, recording in early March. Some more on this side as well. Coconut palm tree, tropical India. You can see up above. Coming down, another coconut palm tree and other foliage in the main lawn. Purple flower in the back and more plants on this side. So pretty cool view, the outside of the Harry S. Truman Little White House. The Truman Little White House Preservation Project is sponsored in part by the Department of State Division of Historical Resources and the State of Florida. You can get the views from the side here, walking back, and tickets to go inside and take a guided tour if you wish. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, signing off. Stay tuned for more cruise content.